Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. In today's video, I will be showing an easy way of making a mixed media journal cover or notebook cover art, which is featuring a beautiful dragonfly in the center. So let's begin making it. First of all, I'm making a texture paste by mixing plaster of Paris and white glue in 1:1. I also mix some water in it so that it become easy to apply it on the notebook. Now I'm applying it on both the side of the notebook by using a brush. If you're here for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more such creative videos. Now making some texture using a net, like so. Also using a comb to get such pattern and let it dry. Also making pattern on the back side of the notebook using a comb only. I'm using homemade cold porcelain clay for making dragonfly. Sticking this portion of clay using white glue on the notebook. Again taking portion of clay to make head of dragonfly and sticking with the help of glue. Again taking portion of clay to make wing, like so, and shaping with the help of knife. I am sticking all the 4 wings like so using white glue. Also applying texture paste on the side of the notebook and giving some texture using brush. Now mixing water and white glue in 1:1 and dipping this thread in this mixture and putting the thread on the notebook to make this desired pattern. I keep on twisting the thread to make such pattern and applying glue and water mixture on it to make it stick properly. Now I am making a 3D outliner by mixing plaster of Paris and white glue and also making a cone using plastic sheet and filling this texture paste in this cone. You can also use a ready-made 3D outliner available at market. Now making some design on the wings of the dragonfly using this 3D outliner. After designing part of the notebook is complete, I am using acrylic color to paint the notebook. First painting the entire notebook with black acrylic color. Now using pearl turquoise color for painting the dragonfly. Giving some shades of pearl green color. Here I am using dry brush technique, and with a very gentle hand I am only highlighting the texture. Now using some metallic purple for its wings. Using a metallic green on the side and back side of the notebook. And finally highlighting with some metallic gold. Now comes my most favorite part, sticking some artificial stones. And this completes our project. If you like this idea, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and tell me in the comment section below how you like this idea of turning a simple notebook into a unique one. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.